In Canada, our post-secondary institutions are either considered to be universities or colleges. And we like to think that the Polytechnic model fits somewhere in between. The main characteristics of the Polytechnic which differentiate it are that we combine career-focused theory with that practical and applied learning. So I think that's the biggest difference. My name's Chris Whitaker. I'm the president and CEO of Humber College. Being flexible and responsive is really key to our success as an institution. So we're constantly reviewing our curriculum, and this goes for all of our programs and credentials, from the short programs to the longer credentials as well. One of the other ways that we're able to maintain that flexibility and responsiveness is by inviting employers to be part of the learning experience alongside of our faculty and our students. So we do that in the classroom, but we also do that through applied research projects and initiatives. And that's when we engage our employers. We ask them to come in and we bring faculty and students, and they work alongside of our employers on real world challenges and problems that they're having. So our students are learning, but they're also solving and working on those real challenges as well. At Humber, these are just some of the ways that we feel it's important to prepare our students for the world of work.